In just a mo, I'll give you a brief explanation behind each answer, linking the vocabulary or contextual links between the text and the question. I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your coursebook is open in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to take the time to find the vocabulary and contextual links that I'll be talking about. Ready? Then let's go. For question 1, the answer is B, if you are used to cities being laid out differently. Because at the beginning of the first paragraph it says, people who like cities based on grid systems are baffled, which means confused, by the bewildering, which means confusing, London street plan, which of course relates exactly to what B says. For question 2, the answer is B, are very studious, because the first paragraph makes reference to an intense intellectual ordeal, and then later to it can take 2 to 4 years to learn everything. In short, the drivers who pass this test must be studious, which is why the answer is B. For question 3, the answer is A. Candidates cannot use anything but their visual memory during the test, because the idea of visual memory in A is reflected in the text where it says, incredible as it may seem, they, which refers to the prospective drivers, have to do this without any reference to maps aside from the mental map they have in their head. For question 4, the answer is C, to show that cabbies have a very special ability, because the very special ability which is mentioned in C is reflected in the text where it says, only the London cabbies with their heightened spatial memories have the change Maguire was looking for. For question 5, the answer is D, didn't find what they had expected, because if we follow the context of the article, they expected to see similar results, but the text says, when researchers looked at drivers in the cities, ... they found none of the same changes in brain structure. In other words, something different to what they had expected. For question 6, the answer is B. She is uncertain how far the stories can be relied upon, because the uncertainty suggested in question 6 can be seen in the main text where it says, believe those tales if you choose.